Hi guys, Harj here, Skinny Roti. Today we're going to talk about what the heck this thing is. Well, this is a foam roller. It's used for self-myofascia release or rolling out your muscle. So what does it help with? It actually helps with flexibility. It helps to prevent muscle soreness and injuries. Now, it also feels damn good to get those knots out, you know, when you get them in your hard-working muscles and around the muscle, around the fascia. So what you do here is kind of like a self-release. So today I'm going to teach you how to foam roll out your calves. I know a lot of people's calves get really tight and sore, and then it affects your knees and the way the tendons around the knees are pulling, and then you start getting sore knees. So yes, we're going to do calves. I am going to show you how to do your piriformis, your IT bands, and your lower back. Alright guys, let's get started with your calves. Now I want you to rest your calves right onto that foam roller. Your hands go right beside you. You can point your fingers out or forward, whatever feels most comfortable for you, so that you can lift your hips off the floor. So now my hips are off the floor, and I want to roll back and forth, resting on any places that I find super tender or sore. So 20 to 30 seconds on any one of those spots. Okay, and you can do this isometrically as well. I find with the added weight of my other leg, I can get deeper into this, one calf at a time. Now you can also point your toes in, and now you're working the inside part of your calf. And then point your toes out, other way, to work the outer part of that calf. And you should work all three angles to really get at some of those sore muscles from all different angles. Make sure you rest on any spots that are tender, or if you can't actually rest on the spot, somewhere close to that spot for 20 to 30 seconds. This is not something you want to be rushing. Like, you want to take your time here, okay? So it doesn't take that long. The whole routine won't even take you 5 minutes, but it'll save you so much muscle soreness. All right, so next we are going to do your upper back. So you are going to start with the foam roller just at the base of your shoulder blades, and we are going to be rolling up until you get to the top of your traps, okay? So you're going to figure out where your hands are most comfortable. Ladies, make sure your hair's out of the way because it will roll under and choke ya. Anyways, okay, so you're going to start at the base of the shoulder blades. You're going to put your hands behind your head, chin up, of course, and you're just going to roll to the top. So your hips are up, and as you get closer to the traps, you're going to kind of lean back. And when you find that tender spot, oh, there it is, right in my shoulder blades, all the time, you're going to open up those arms and just go really deep into it. Good 20, 30 seconds. Oh, you store so much tension up here. I know I do. It really helps to correct that bad posture from hunching over at your desk all day. Oh, this just always feels so amazing. I do this sometimes just taking a break between checking emails, or when we're watching TV, I'll just get the roller out, and I'll know that my neck and my shoulders and back are feeling tight. Okay guys, so next we are going to roll out your piriformis. Your piriformis is actually buried deep within kind of the center of your glute muscle. And trust me when I tell you, if you're doing lots of heavy deads, or if you're training frequency on legs and glutes 2-3 times a week, it will be super, super sore. So put your hands behind you. If you're doing one glute at a time, so you're going to be doing your right glute right now, so you're going to want to take your left leg, cross it over. You want to dig into that glute, and you'll find the piriformis somewhere right in the middle. You'll feel it. It's tight. And then once you find that spot, just sit there for 20 to 30 seconds and let it release. Now, if you're looking for serious gains in the gym, just by increasing your range of motion, which we all know range of motion, full range of motion is how your muscles grow. If you're limiting your range of motion, how do you think you're going to grow? So flexibility in the gym is just as important to grow that muscle as is the weight you're throwing around. Okay, so learn to take care of the muscles and they'll take care of you. All right, so now you're going to want to do your left glute. Same thing. Just want to roll till you found it. And then just sit there. All right, loosened up those glutes. There you go, guys. Now you have it. You know what this darn thing is when you see it at the gym. And remember, you can always purchase one. They're not very expensive, and keep one at home so that you can do it in your spare time, if we have spare time. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep bringing you guys more good content. Love you guys. Skinny Roti.